gonna grab her. He's gonna get you.
I'll give you one try, girl. Proof is, you're lucky. You don't want to be alone out here, girl. Someone worse than me will find you.
There's no one worse than you.
Where do you think I'm taking you?
Back to King's Landing. To Joffrey and the Queen.
Fuck Joffrey. Fuck the Queen.
Yeah.
That's Red Fork. I'm taking you to the twins. Your uncle's marrying one of the Frey girls. So quit trying to bash my skull in. We might just make it there in time for the wedding.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
Mm.
Come and sit on Mirror's lap, and I may give you my second sons.
Give me your second sons, and I may not have you gelded. Sir Barristan, how many men fight for the second son?
Another 2,000, Your Grace.
We have more, don't we?
10,000 unsullied.
In the second sons, we share everything. After the battle, maybe we'll all share you.
Wow.
She don't give a shit.
But he likes her.
You when this is over.
Yeah.
Oh?
Sir Barristan,
Uh-huh.
if it comes to battle, kill that one first.
Gladly, Your Grace.
Yeah.
Show the boy to his chambers. Have the maids draw him a bath and find him some decent clothes. I'll come visit you soon.
He's like, you will, huh?
Look.
Melisandre's returned. Didn't know she'd been gone. Came back with a bastard boy. Robert's bastard boy.
Why?
She's as power in king's blood.
She's going to kill him.
Sacrifice.
Ha.
There's another level, man. No difference between kill and sacrifice. Why did you come to see me today?
Came to free you. If you swear never to raise your hand to the Lady Melisandre again.
I swear it.
I saw a vision in the flames. Great battle in the snow. I saw it. And you saw whatever she gave birth to. I never believed, but when you see the truth, how can you deny her God is real?
Plus the dude that came back from the dead 6 times.
Mm-hmm.
There's another validation.
Yeah, no doubt.
Lady Sansa.
You look very handsome, my lord.
Oh, yes. The husband of your dreams. You do look glorious. Perhaps we could have a moment alone. Do you mind? Podrick, could you escort Lady Stark's handmaiden?
Oh.
Made a dog house.
Yeah.
I promise you one thing, my lady. I won't ever hurt you. You drink wine.
When I have to.
Mm.
Today you have to.
Yeah.
We're going to be sisters soon.
Look at her, look at her.
Girl, aren't you? They play it so often here at court. So you know the story of House Rain of Castanet. Not as well as you, I'm sure. House Rain was a powerful family, very wealthy, second wealthiest in Westeros. And finally one day, they rebelled against my father. Do you know where House Rain is now? Gone. Gone. A gentle word. What's he slaughtered? Every man, woman, and child put to the sword.
What a nice story.
If you ever call me sister again, I'll have you strangled in your sleep.
She just finally said, I'm just going to have to show this bitch how this is going to be. You know? I hate him.
What's he doing? Your father's gone. As the father of the realm, it is my duty to give you away to your husband.
Oh my God.
Look at him.
God. Oh my God. Yuck. Oh God.
Sucks.
So bad. So I mean, they had to get married like now. And there's no waiting a week or 14 days.
Yeah.
You're such an asshole.
You now cloak the bride and bring her under your protection.
Oh, okay. Should have been down for him, surely. Oh, I hate him.
Oh, by the way,
I fucking hate him. God, I wish somebody just cut his head off. Right now. Oh my God.
One heart and soul, now and forever.
No. No.
What a joyous wedding.
I know, I mean, no. Just no.
Here, take this. Think I'm trying to poison you?
Well,
Thought did cross my mind. Mm.
Put a power inside you.
Oh, good Lord. Here she goes. Don't do
Brought
it.
me here to draw it from you and birth it into the world.
Not another damn demon baby.
let's not do that again.
Well, let's not do the demon baby again.
No repeats.
No, it demands this. You only need eyes to see.
Well, okay.
Death is coming for everyone and everything. The darkness that will swallow the dawn. And we can stop it. You and I.
Mm-hmm. She lying to you. She is lying like a dog that's naked. She got him. She done got his
I
ass.
say so.
She gonna have the damn kid again. They're gonna have another demon baby. What the fuck? What the hell?
Get away! Get
What the fuck?
Don't fight.
Well, you just
They won't take much.
Why?
get the pillow.
Why?
I told you, there's power in the blood of kings. Oh. You have so much blood.
Not there! Not there!
No! Ooh. She put it on his penis.
The devil.
Usurper Rob Stark. Usurper Balon Greyjoy. Usurper Joffrey Baratheon.
Look at that one squirm. Oh, it popped it. Oh, that was so sick.
Perhaps you could talk to your bride to me instead.
Yeah, why don't you just go fuck with somebody else? I got a lifetime. What a joke. Hoping somebody kills you right now.
It would be a nice wedding gift, Sansa.
Man.
Your wife needs a child, a Lannister child.
What did you once call me? A drunken little lustful beast.
More than once.
There you have it. Nothing to worry about. Drinking and lust. No man can match me in these things. I am the god of jits and wine.
Cheers.
Glorious death. Yes.
suppose it doesn't really matter which Lannister puts the baby into. Maybe I'll pay you a visit.
Oh my God.
Quarter past is out. How'd you like that?
Fuck. Oh. Eat his nose.
That's all right. Sir Meryn and Sir Boris will hold you down.
I'm gonna bite him.
Bite him? You're gonna bite him?
Like, bite hard. Like.
There will be no wedding ceremony.
There will be if I command it.
Then you'll be fucking your own bride with a wooden cock.
Oh! Bing!
You say
Say it again. No.
I believe
A bad joke, Your Grace. Made out of envy of your own
Yeah,
royal
so
majesty. Mine is so small. My poor wife won't even know I'm there.
Uncle is clearly quite drunk.
Oh my God.
I am. Come, wife.
What wife?
14.
14.
You forget how young she is.
I know.
Won't make you any older.
Let me get drunk first. I understand.
Calm. I could, I would.
Your father.
My father wants someone to get fucked. I know where he can start. I won't share your bed. No screaming, or she dies.
Oh.
What do you want? You were sent here to kill me. So why haven't you?
I don't want to.
Really?
What do your captains have to say about that?
You should ask them.
Oh! Gosh darn it.
We don't-
Hell.
Will you fight for me?
After seeing you naked, yeah, sure.
Swear to me.
I'll do anything for you.
The second sons are yours, and so is Dario and the Harris. My sword is yours, my life is yours. My heart is yours.
Ah.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Really ought to know.
I brought you breakfast.
She's happy. She's over there and she's got a little bit of a...
I don't think she's happy yet. She might be happy now.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Oh.
My father's also a Tarly.
His name's Samuel Tarly too.
No. Randall Tarly.
Randall's a handsome name.
Please don't name him Randall.
She built that fire up.
She did, didn't she?
Not Randall then.
Yeah. She's happy. Mm-hmm. Not a good idea. It's not a good idea. What the fuck?
Go inside. Go back inside. Oh,
Uh-oh.
They all just shut up. That's fucked up.
Oh no.
Stay back!
Oh no, no. Oh no. No, no, no.
Stay back!
Come on. Come on. Girl here. Boom! Get that crystal. Yeah, baby. Holy shit! I didn't know it was behind him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Killed a White Walker.
Oh my gosh. That means he knows how now.
Yeah.
This one was an easy one.
Sansa and Tyrion got married.
Oh, well, that is true.
We had the leeches.
But
Melisandre had taken King's
I just
blood.
feel like, you know, with their marriage, the way they feel, oh my God, it's just, you know, yeah.
Nobody's happy.
I forgot the leeches.
Yeah.
That's right. That was gross.
And Melisandre and she and Stannis threw them in the fire. And he
And
said,
one bursted.
and he said, Robb Stark was one. The other one was Joffrey. And the other one was Balon Greyjoy, who's Theon's dad. So, I guess it's some kind of blood magic to curse them.
Great.
But at least he put Joffrey in there, which we can agree with.
Oh gosh, totally.
Yeah.
I mean,
We're on board for the Joffrey.
I tell you what, if anybody don't agree with that, they just really shouldn't be watching it anymore.
Right. I mean, if anybody likes Joffrey, they probably don't need to be watching this show.
Or they're probably very, very mean.
No, what an asshole. Taking Tyrion's stool away.
He's a dick.
Fucking
Weed.
threatening Sansa and shit.
Ass dick.
Ass butt.
Right.
It's just ridiculous.
Oh,
Ari. What's going on with Ari? The hound's got her.
yeah, and they're headed to
And she's happy now.
the twins
Yes, the twins.
for the wedding.
She gonna make it.
We'll see.
And you know, Tyrion just got married before it, so are they gonna go too?
Who, Tyrion?
To the wedding? No.
No, it doesn't have anything to do with the Lannisters. It's a Stark
It's just
Fray.
a Stark fray. Okay.
union.
Well, I didn't know. Sometimes back in the old days, even if they wanted to kill each other and cut each other's head off, they'd show up at their weddings like,
Right.
just 'cause.
Well, that's true. That's what they did.
Yeah, that's what they did.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what to say. I really feel sorry for Shay.
But she was happy there at the end when she seen that Tyrion didn't sleep with Sansa.
Oh, yeah, she was. Yeah, she was, but this is going to be hard still.
It's awkward.
Yeah, there you go. And I wonder how long it's going to take him to realize that, he's not sleeping with her. You know?
Oh, I don't know. He's going to get in trouble.
I know. Because they're going to be expecting something, you know, eventually. And then, what is he going to say? Oh, well, I can't have any? Well, then they have no use for him. Just kill him off so we don't have to feed him.
Right. Like, what good is he then?
Right, you know? So, I don't know how that's supposed to go.
Oh. Dany got the second sons, so that's like 2,000 more soldiers she's got.
This is going to be good. This between
Yeah,
her...
that dude love.
That dude that went in there.
Dario Naharis.
Yeah, I was thinking of... I'm still on her with the other dude saying, release him or I'm going to kill you. You know, so...
Yeah, that dude didn't last very long. His head ended up in a bag.
That was gross. That was real gross.
It was good news, though, for Dany anyway.
Definitely.
Yeah.
That's what she wanted.
Yeah. And now this dude's like, oh, I'll do anything for you.
But yeah, I'm excited. 9-10, we'll be back here tomorrow. I'm going to do it again, and we're going to put both of them. And then we will be on season 4.
Wine with 9.
Wine with 9. Hashtag. And if I don't do it, I'm in trouble now. Wine with 9. Bracket wine, I'm going to forget. Wine.
I won't let you forget. I'll text you a million times.
We'll both forget. But yeah, alright, bye guys.
Bye.